Hey everybody, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser, and we are at West Tech 2025. We are showing off our compact UV laser, and we sell all sorts of lasers. We are literally the full spectrum of lasers, and we have our metal cut samples here, our engravings. We do fiber laser, UV laser, CO2 laser, laser welders, literally anything laser we do. We cut up to really thick materials. We got aluminum here, stainless steel, copper and brass, and we do all sorts of glass engravings with our UV laser. That's what's popular right now, is we take an image and it will automatically make the map and do it a pseudo 3D inside of the glass with the UV laser. So we get big companies, small companies, consumers, really it's everybody, industrial, aerospace, medical, anybody that needs to mark very small pieces and cut really large pieces. So we kind of cover the gambit on that.
Like for example, this machine, footprint and power.
Footprint, I believe the footprint is what, 22 by 16 on this. This is our smallest unit, roughly around there. And yeah, this is our 5-watt UV system. We go a little bit bigger for our 10-watt to 15-watt, just because the source is a little larger. And yeah, this is mostly for, I would say, anybody that needs to engrave very small items.
No, footprint inside, because of course.
Oh, yeah. So the inside goes from 4 inches to, this one is actually up to 12. And yeah, this guy goes up to 12. It's all dependent on the lens that is on the Galvo itself. Sure. Yeah.